Hello, today I'm going to show you how to connect a flexible ductwork. Alright, you got the inside, you want to just put it in like that. You got to put the inside in first, okay? And after that, you want to use a zip lock. And after that, you want to use a zip tie, okay? Tie this in. You're going to need two zip ties. One to zip tie the inner layer. Okay. Cut it off. Then you want to zip tie the outer layer. Okay. After that, you just want to tape it around. After that, you just want to tape it. Sloppy tape job. And that's mainly it. Yeah. That's how you run a flexible duct. That's how you tie a flexible duct, connect a flexible duct. Alright. Like my video, please subscribe because look. See, you got your flexible duct here. Yeah. So you run a flexible duct. I could ran it any way, regular way, but it's in the basement and just want to run it this way. Basically, that's how you connect a flexible ductwork. So if you like my video, please subscribe. Thank you, I appreciate it.